The Jamaican economy has been constantly progressing. The latest evidence, the Planning Institute of Jamaica PIOJ's quarterly report, which showed that the economy grew by 0.6% in the October to December 2015 period.
This performance represented the fourth consecutive quarter of growth and largely reflected higher value added in both the services and goods producing industries.
Let's take a more detailed look at the industries, beginning with goods producing. There was a 0.4% increase over the corresponding period in 2014. This was largely driven by manufacturing, which was up by 3.7%, thanks to food, beverage, tobacco, and other subsectors. Construction also grew by 0.7% due to an increase in civil engineering activities and
an increase in building construction activities due largely to increased housing starts, which were up by 24.8%, and the build-out of office space to facilitate expansion of the BPO industry, as well as increased hotel construction.
The drought, however, took its toll on the agriculture, forestry, and fishing sectors, resulting in a decline of 3.3%. And due to a fall-off in bauxite production, mining and quarrying was down by 2.3%.
The services industry grew by 0.6%, reflecting increased real value added in all industries except producers of government services.
Electricity and water grew by 5%.
And this reflected a higher electricity consumption, which outweighed a decline in water production.
Transport, storage, and communication was up 0.6%.
This performance was due to an expansion in the communications segment of the industry due to increased competition and network expansion during the quarter.
There was also an increase in financial and insurance services, as well as the wholesale and retail trade. For the hotels and restaurant sector, there was a 1.2% increase in activities.
This was influenced by an estimated 1% growth in stopover visitor arrivals due to increased visitors from the United States of America and European markets due to an increase in flight frequency and the introduction of new flights.
Armed with that information from the PIOJ, the government, though encouraged, wants more accelerated growth levels.
We have averaged 1% growth for the past 25 years. We have to get out of it now, and this is my message to you, because if not now, when? Global oil prices are at an all-time low. Interest rates are trending down. Inflation rate in Jamaica, cost of living, is at the one of the lowest in a long time record. It's now or never.
And so the new finance minister has indicated that his ministry will be working to secure investments in Jamaica by collaborating with the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation out of the office of the Prime Minister.
Growth is not a magical phenomenon. Growth is not a wizard in the bank. Growth is something that everybody has to embrace. And a productive workforce and a productive public sector are part of that growth plan.
The public sector modernization program is therefore critical to the process.
I'll be working alongside people in the public service to see if we can nudge things a little faster and to see if we can meet the challenges.
The government of Jamaica, recognizing the gains, working towards the future, the end game, high levels of growth in the Jamaican economy.